At my local creek. Missed the frog, but got him on the Senko. Second cast. Caught one. Another one came out of this drain. Caught another one, came right out of this drain. Drain's about a couple inches, and I watch him eat it. And they're just running back looking for food out of this drain.
What did you use for bait?
Tournament got canceled, but catching creek monsters. Another one. Nice 1-pounder. Choked it, dude. This creek is only like a foot that deep. Just hammering it. Never bass. Another 1-pounder. Let's go. Biggest one of the day. I need to get the hook out. So, I'll get a release video after I revive one for a little bit. Another good one. A 4-pounder, dude. Out of this creek on a bandito bug with a net rig. Let's go! Thanks for biting. We slayed a 1-pounder. Not 1-pounder, but like it's almost a pound. It's a nice fish. Okay, under this tree, this fish is heavy, dude. Look at this. Look at this fish. He's a 2-pounder. Just came out and I saw him swiping the current, dude. He ran out and I was fighting him.